When is the concrete truck supposed to arrive? Why haven't the painters finished yet? Which tasks is Mike assigned today to? Why hasn't anyone notified me that the main pipe is broken? I have a meeting with the architect and I can't find the drawings. Managing a construction, renovation, or installation work is complex and requires good organization and coordination between all those involved, whether it is a large or a small project. Ogun is the first free digital tool designed so that this is no longer a problem. Create in a very simple and intuitive way the shared calendar of a project. Keep communications organized through specific chats for sites and tasks. Schedule reminders of your important events. Add photos and files. Manage all your checklists. All your work's perfectly organized and up to date. Once the information is added to Ogun, it will be shared by everyone and can be updated at any time. Ogun works in a coordinated way, both from your computer and your phone. When you work at the office, you can easily use Ogun from your computer. And if you're on-site, stay connected and updated through the app installed on your smartphone. Ogun is used by both those in charge who organize and manage the work, and by the workers who perform the different tasks. If you know how to use tools like WhatsApp, Gmail, or Drive, you can use Ogun without any problem. Thousands of construction professionals are already using Ogun in more than 6,000 projects. Create an account from our website, download the application, and you can start using it. It's totally free. Ogun, the essential digital tool to manage your works. www.ogun.io